Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So actually it depends what kind of browser you are using. I will show you how to clear browsing data on your defaultly installed browser. It's right here, and then how to clear it on the Chrome. So let me begin with the defaultly installed ones. Let's open it. Now let's tap on the three bars icon, click on the settings right here. Now let's scroll a little and tap on privacy and security. And as you can see in the personal data section, we've got delete browsing data. So let's tap on it. And here we can choose what we want to delete. So we can remove browsing history, cache, cookie and site data, passwords, autofill form data, and location access data. So let me pick, for example, the passwords and autofill form data. And if you're ready, click on delete. And that's all. As you can see, the personal data has been deleted successfully. So now let me show you how to do it using the Chrome. So let's open the Google Chrome browser. Now let's tap on this strange icon. There should be three dots icon, as you can see. Now let's choose the history. Here we've got the list of previously opened websites. So if you want to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it. But if you want to clear much more browsing data, just tap here. Here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So let me pick, for example, also saved passwords and autofill form data. What's more, here we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. And if you're ready, click on clear data, and as you can see, the history has been cleared successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Samsung Galaxy M11. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.